Okay, here's my 2000 Silverado 5.3 LS Z71 4x4. 59,000 miles. Brake line's still intact, no issues, they look brand new. But anyway, just going to show you how clean this 23-year-old truck and engine is. Like I said, this is the 5.3 LS Vortec, LS based Vortec. Get the 5.3 here. SS has got the 6.0. It's got 285 stock horsepower. I'm going to do a cold air intake. And really that's about it. I'm not going to alter too much on this truck. This thing's been kept alive, in great shape for all these years. There's a frame. I did just put new shocks all around on it. I've got the KYB. Put the burnt blue exhaust tip on it. I've got the Magnet Flow or Flowmaster Flow Effects muffler on there. Sounds deep, nice and throaty. I don't need it to be all loud and obnoxious going down the road. You see how clean that frame is. You see the rockers, super clean. Like I said, 59,000 miles. I stepped up to the 20-inch rims. Those are Toyo Proxy tires. Nice and clean interior, very clean. No burn marks, no nothing. I'm in the midst of I'm gonna redo this center console here because I hate the stupid little lid there. But I'm gonna eventually take out these visors and put in a shelf like I did on my SS. It's got the center storage. The headliner is in perfect condition. Nothing, no sagging, nowhere. This truck was a one owner. Originally bought through GM. He worked for GM. I added that little bit of extra cup holders there. Plus you got the factory ones there. But as you can see, clean. 23 years old. Come on. Silicone around there. Yep. Look at them snappers, Ralph. But did the front tint, the back windows, and of course the back window, those were factory tint. Just wanted to blend it all. The paint is in really good shape. Only got one little ding on it, which was already there by some point in time over the ownership. Yep, right. The hell is it? Anyway, it's right in here. Right there. Itty bitty little doohickey. I've got the record of all the oil changes done on it since it was new. Great truck. I added the LEDs behind there. They look really good at night. I don't know about so much in the daytime really showing up, but look better in person. But really lights that grill up nicely, along with the parking lights. I just went with yellow. I started out with red and then blue, went back to yellow. I think the yellow with the black looks well enough. The SS, I've got that. I got some red ones, red lights on there. They look real. They really kind of suit that truck. No problems with any cops, officers, whatever. I don't have anything flashing, but I do have them on remote and button. All through Amazon, get the lights and then the wiring kit and light switch for the inside. It's all in one package. But yeah, little update on the trucks. But this engine, I just give it a wipe down. Keep the damn thing clean. 59,000 miles. It runs like a champ. Runs like the Vortex always do. They're proven. Great engines. I'm going to put this cover back on. It goes right here. I just got to zip that back on and put them little grommets back in. Changed everything else. All the lights have gone, all the bulbs at least have gone to LED. Probably going to swap out these to a tint. But aftermarket lights on these Silverados, they wobble. Bulbs don't fit in there correctly. So I'm kind of tossed up. Should I just keep the originals in there because they fit perfect and there's nothing loose? I swapped them on there. I haven't had a problem, but they could have been better. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. I'll be posting more. Basically, keep up on the maintenance on your Silverado and that sucker will run and go. The most I've seen in person on these is 641,000 miles on a guy's truck. I think it was an 04, 5.3, same engine. He had, I think it was, yeah, 641,000 miles at Home Depot here in Cincinnati. I mean, come on, that's a lot of miles. A lot of miles. But this one's certainly going to have a long life to go. I'm about to turn 190 if I haven't already. I can't remember. I know I was real close to 190 and I've driven it the past couple of days to work, so probably over that by now. But still, that's an 03. You know, I put them extra badges in the back. I mean, it's my truck. I do what I want. Nobody's going to tell me what I want to have on my truck, what's supposed to be. But that's a little remembrance as of, you know, the old 454 SS. Yeah. My call, Connor, Avery, Rust Bros. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'm not being paid by them. I'm just telling you. It's a great show. Out of British Columbia. It's funny as hell. They act like normal human beings on camera. Bitching at each other. Nice to each other. You know, normal life. Anyway, I'll post more videos soon enough. Peace out.